National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clark County in southwestern Arkansas, western Grant County in central Arkansas, northwestern Dallas County in southwestern Arkansas, southeastern Garland County in central Arkansas, central Saline County in central Arkansas, Hot Spring County in southwestern Arkansas, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Rockwell to near Gum Springs in Clark County, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hot Springs, Benton, Hot Springs Village, Arkadelphia, Malvern, Haskell, Rockport, Caddo Valley, Traskwood, Leola, Tall, Poen, Perla, Lansdale, Hot Springs Memorial Field, Gum Springs in Clark County, Jenkins Ferry State Park, Rockwell, Field, Doug Graylick State Park,